In previous video, I have talked about this part, which is category to a string. Well, I had a function here which converts the category into a string, and we had this part like categories. And let's see the result, what happened. So we have the categories. Now one article can have many categories, like 2 or 3 categories, but here shown only the word categories, nothing else. Okay, in this video I am going to solve this problem and I'll explain everything. Let's have a terminal here. I just want to have a Python, and this is the Python environment. Let's see, for example, a list. I have talked about the list comprehension in Python course. If you have remembered, just go through and have everything here. For example, I want to have hello and Django course. Okay, and now I want to join this. For example, I am using the join method. Let's see, hello, well, this thing, but let's have a space here. Let's say hello Django course. Now, for example, if I have here like a comma, so everything like hello, after that a comma is here, and again Django and course. Okay, this is very, very simple. Now let's have something like n as assigned to, for example, 1, 3, 6, and like this. And what if I have like this, I plus like 5 for I in n? What happens? Let's see. Well, that's 6, 7, 9, 11, 8. Okay, this is completely called the list comprehension. Is very, very great topic in Python. I have described everything. I've explained each and everything. Okay, now let's have another example. For example, if I have I plus 5 for I and n, if I divided by 2 equal to 0, then what happens here? 7, 9, 11. Okay, we have took all the things here. Okay, because everything can be in a list and the result will be shown here. We use the same thing here as well. Okay, here we have the categories. Instead of category, we use a list. For example, how can be the list? Category dot title, because we have the title here. For category, in object dot category dot all, we take all the things here, and we have to here the join method. Okay, join, we use the join here. Okay, this will have a space here. Now everything is clear here. Now up until now we have cleared everything, but here we want to have a comma as well, because if an article has like 10 categories, so all the categories will be listed here with comma. We have to put a comma after each category. For example, the first one is Linux, and comma, there will be Windows, comma, there will be something else like that. It will continue all those like categories. Now let's see, we have this here in this part. Okay, let's see either it shows me or not. Okay, here the fourth article has 2 categories like science and Linux. The second article, let's have the Windows, computer, and Linux. Okay, it shows 3 categories. Now this title category to string doesn't look well. Let's have a short description here. For example, category to string dot short description will be list of categories. Okay, I think it makes sense. Let's refresh this. Okay, the terminal works fine. List of categories is very, very nice. Okay, this part is done. This part is completely done. In the next video we will talk about, well, the categories and the and this page. For example, here I have home, about, simple post, contact, and many other things. So instead of these things, I want to have each category. So when I click on each category, the blogs or the articles of each category should be shown here. Okay, should be filtered, even I can say. And okay, in the next video we will see all of this.